Hey there, I'm Kathy with kathysglutenfree.com. Let's make some delicious, nutritious food for everyone to enjoy. Let's start with some eggs that have been hard boiled. We'll scoop out the yolks. Slice open a nice ripe avocado. Get rid of the pit. And scoop out the insides. We'll mash this all together and stir in some mayonnaise. There's a nice, quick, easy recipe for mayonnaise at kathysglutenfree.com. Mash it all together. Add a spoonful of everything seasoning. You can buy everything bagel seasoning or use the recipe on my blog. Add some chopped cooked bacon. If you want to save a little for garnish at this point, you can add it at the end. Mash it all together and then scoop this filling back into the cooked egg whites. If you saved some bacon for garnish, add it now. Serve these right away and enjoy!